Good morning, this is Sharmin here. How's everyone doing? I am live here today. I was using my Age versus 9, which is now become my favorite. This is Sharmin. I am a pharmacy beauty influencer. What I do is I help people solve any issues that they have in their skincare, or they need help finding a makeup for them, or they have any hair issues. We do have some hairs products that is for rough hairs and also for thin hairs. Hello, who just joined me? Please say hi, say anything. Hi Nadia, how are you? Thank you for joining me. So I am here live. I was doing my Age versus skincare. So I already used my cleanser, which is Aqualine. And in pharmacy we have everything: skincare, makeup, hair care, baby line, man line, everything. So I know that for all ladies makeup is important, but for me makeup is very important, but the more important is the skincare, because without skincare your makeup will not look flawless. So you really need a good and right skincare, and I can help you find a right product for you. You know why? Because we have 8 to 10 types of skincare products. We have something for everyone. We don't have one size that fits all model. In fact, something for everyone. So we do have I'm saying problems, solutions to problems. That is anybody who have a oily skin, dry skin, or you have a redness, you have an eczema, you have the acne, or any kind of issues that you have. I do have it. I do have a tea tree line for oily skin. Hi Mehek, how are you? Thank you for joining me. Hi Asmita. The tea tree line that I have is for look how my skin, even though I just got tan from the picnic that I went the last weekend, but thanks to this pharmacy skincare products that can give you a drugstore price, that can beat you the drugstore price, this pharmacy, but it is very affordable, and it is really better than drugstores because they are very safe. Because we meet European standards. We ban more than 1400 ingredients that are toxic. So all of our ingredients in our product are safe. And you know, one more thing that is I'm very happy to announce that we are having a foundation that is a vegan one, and that is a foundation is non-transferable. So when you apply a foundation and if you touch your clothes, it won't come out. So I'm gonna order that soon, and I'm gonna show that soon. So any of you ladies, you want that kind of foundation, you need this, here I'm the right person, message me. So yes, so I was saying, and then I went off to the another topic. I was saying that we do have a tea tree line for oily skin. We do have an aqua line for fragrance free. This is fragrance free, dermatologist tested. So all of our products are dermatologist tested too. Paraben, gluten, fragrance free. So aqua line for dry and all skin types. And we do have calendula line for eczema, redness, who have anti-inflammatory issues, so that treats anti-inflammatory, the calendula line. We have a foot cream for help reduce the cracks in your foot, and we do have intimate set, and we do have a hi Shanila, I will message you separately and talk to you about the price. Whatever the products that you are interested in, definitely I'll message you. So yes, so for example, the price of a calendula cream that I have is just $9.90, and it's so good. It's so good. I just love all of it. So a cleanser is like $16. The Age versus cleanser is like $16. I mean, it is so good price. And I mean, this tea tree mask for oily skin, or this is for combination skin too. So I ordered it for me, so I'm gonna use that soon. That is only $9.90, $10, and it's so good, so very affordable. Yes, we do have a tea tree body cream. So suppose if you have a bug bite and you want to apply that, your itch will go away. What I don't have, I mean, I love it. So yes, and then there is an anti-aging line that I am going to use right now. What did I do with my serum? I wanted to use my serum too right here. I hope my kids don't take it, didn't take it, and I'm not paying attention to it here. I put it in the drawer, this right here. So this is anti-aging line, that is my favorite. This is for all skin type. This is serum and moisturizer that you use. It also helps prevent any darkening that you can have, and this is good for all skin types, dry, oily, combination, everything. And for age reverses, anti-aging age, if you are 30 and plus age, then this is what it is for you. And this also helps reduce any fine lines or wrinkles that you have. This eye cream and this night mask, I love it so much. This is $49, but this is the quantity. It is a lot. It's like you can have it like more than 6 months or more, even more than that, because only 2 to 3 times a night you can use this one. And this one gives you a 52% collagen increase and makes your skin young look. Absolutely. And yes, it gives you a lot of benefits. So yes, this is an anti-aging age versus line that I have. And there is a Lumi Radiance brightening line for anyone who have a dark spots issues, something like that, or who have an uneven skin tone. I mean, so many. Charcoal line. Charcoal line is for those who have a larger pores. I have an acne line separately, those who have acne issues. So let me go ahead and use my serum. This is how it is. And look at this packaging. I just love their packaging. It's so good. Even and we are having even more new lines, skincare lines too. So yes, my serum is done. It just takes 2 minutes, and it doesn't take long. Just 5 minutes. I really educate on using a right skincare and to use a skincare every day, because it doesn't take longer. So yes, please do take care of your skin, because our skin is the largest organ of our body. So it's really important to take care, because whatever we put in our skin and our body, anywhere, it goes into the bloodstream within 26 seconds. So that's what I educate. It's really important to use right, safe skincare products. I mean, drugstores anywhere, you might don't know if it's safe or no, but here you can find safe ones. So yes, message me if you want those. So wait just 1 minute for your serum to be observed. It's really important to use serum in the skincare steps, because the serum goes deeply into your skin, and it penetrates your skin, and it does really moisturizes from deeply inside your skin. And then the Age versus Rich moisturizer, I'm gonna put this on too, and I love its packaging too. And the moisturizer also hydrates your outer layer of the skin. So this one should be your last step. But if you're using these steps in the night time, then your last step will be the night mask, 2-3 times whenever you use. But yes, even daytime, if you want to use sunscreen, that will be your one more step. Yes, I do have sunscreens too that have SPF 30 and SPF 52. So you want those, you message me. Yes, sunscreen is very important to use too, even though you are home or no, because it helps you save from any sunspots, dark spots that you may have. So yes, you want any of those, or you want any makeup, hair care, anything, I have a whole lot of stuff. I can send you my website, and just direct message me, and I'm happy to help you. And yes, thank you once again everyone for joining me, and you have a nice one. Bye. Here, look, it's so hydrating. This anti-aging age reverses line gives me so much hydrating. I was going, but I just wanted to say this line that I forgot. Yes, it does helps me feel hydrating, and yes, and helps my skin glow. I love it so much. All of our skincare. So yes, finally I'm gonna go and message me. Thank you for joining me. Bye.